Hey, Vanessa DeBurlay here, and if you were trying to figure out how to add a channel description to your YouTube video, or to your YouTube channel, you're in the right place. You can also go here to edit your channel description. Let's go to YouTube, www.youtube.com, go to your channel, and select, go to your avatar, and select My Channel. Once you select that, you're going to see a place that says Customize, and I want you to go ahead and select that right here, the blue Customize Channel. Once that comes up, you're going to see the word About. You're going to slide down just a little bit here. Right next to Discussion, you see right here it says About. Select that. And then off to the left, Channel Description. Select that box, and there you go. Just go ahead and write your channel description in this box. If you're not sure what to put there, you can Google that, and it'll give you some ideas of what are good keywords and things like that to put in there. But if you want to edit it, maybe you put a description in there a long time ago when you first set up your channel, and you're ready to go back and edit it. There you go. Now you can do that. I do have the steps written out for you. You can go ahead and take a snapshot right there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below, and I'll have some more quick tips for you in the future.